Hello dear friends, subscribers and guests on my channel. In this video I want to show and tell you how to screen record on iPhone. Please put your like, subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends and let's get started. So first we need to go to settings. After that you need to scroll down and click Control Center. And here you need to scroll down and find screen recording. And here you must click on the plus. And that's all. Go back to our home screen and we need to lower our curtain. And here we have this recording button. Let's click. And after 3 seconds our iPhone start recording. And that's all. If you enjoyed this video and find it helpful, please put your like, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. Bye bye everyone, see you later.